On your initial login, enter the username and temporary password provided to you and click the Login button. The system will prompt you to create a new password, which must be 8 digits in length and include a capital letter and a numeric. Once logged in, you will be taken to the service provider homepage. Here you will see your company's information as well as FleetNet events that are assigned to your company. You can search for specific events by unit number or a full PO number. To include completed events in your search, make sure to check the box marked Include Completed. You may also need to verify the appropriate date range for the event. Please note the date range will only allow you to select a 30-day period. In this example, the events grid is displaying open, working, and completed events. To assign a technician to an event, click Assign Technician and make your selection from the drop-down menu, then click Save. To view the event details, simply click the PO number associated with that event. The Details page displays the most up-to-date information about the event, including the current status. Users can change the status of the event directly from the service provider homepage or events grid. By clicking the blue arrow associated with the event, the user is able to change the status through to completion. The first status will be to acknowledge the event. Please select the date and time accordingly and then click Update. The user will need to repeat this procedure for each status. The statuses are Acknowledge, En route, Arrived, Working, and Complete for mechanical calls. Statuses for a tow will be slightly different. Once you arrive at the complete status, you will need to complete the form and sign. The event must be in complete status before uploading an invoice or ticket. Updating the status through the portal also updates the event in FleetNet America system. When you need to provide access to the portal or mobile app for a new manager or employee, click the Users button in the navigation. To activate a new mobile app user, click the Refresh button and provide them with the PIN that is generated here. The PIN will allow the new user to register directly from the mobile app. In the case of adding a new user to the portal, you must click the Add User button from the grid. Enter the contact information for the new user and set the level of access they will have within the system. Once the information is entered and saved, the system will populate a username and temporary password that can be emailed directly to the new user. The user grid also allows you the ability to manage technicians and staff with access to the portal. Techs are automatically assigned to companies with a single location. However, for companies with multiple locations, techs are initially assigned to the primary location, but can be assigned to additional locations by clicking the Assign Location button and selecting the locations the technician services. Users can be deleted by clicking the X in the Action column associated with that user. For more information on using the sureEcosystem portal, contact FleetNet Vendor Relations at 844-420-3495.